Welcome back everyone. Today I've just driven a couple of hours north up to Blacksmiths. It's just south of Newcastle. Miranda wanted to come up here and do some fishing. And today we're just doing a little bit of playing tennis, and tomorrow hopefully we can get out and catch some fish. As you can see, we have very little skills, but it's fun.
Guess what, guys? Yep, it's raining again, and still. I'm meant to be getting 100 mil in a couple of days. A month's worth of rain in one weekend. So I moved the barbecue over here. And you won't believe what we got. Ever seen tomahawk steaks before?
Well, if it's going to rain for days on end, we may as well feed our emotions. We've got some baked potatoes and some greens. It's going to be yum. The rain is finally cleared, so we've come out to Swansea for a bit of fishing. Miranda's here asking us to find some fish for her. Sorry Miranda, nothing, no luck. Just a really strong current. This is a Swansea RSL and their war memorial. Here's some underwater footage. Unfortunately, after all the rain, it's not very clear, but there's plenty of schools of pretty fish, and even an eels come out. How beautiful are those colours. The only fish for the day. Well done, Miranda. Yes, we've had a heap of rain here, but with rain comes puddles. So Whistle and Hunter are having a great time there with this massive puddle down by the water while Miranda's fishing. Here's Miranda in a fishing outfit, very sexy. Changed locations now, we're down on Lake Macquarie. We've moved from the mouth of the river into this calm, beautiful sandy beach. Got that one. It got too cold at the beach to swim. We went metal detecting. We got our new little toy. We have no idea what we're doing and how to use it, but here we are digging around and having a look to see what we find. Didn't find a lot, I must say.
That's pretty cool, wasn't it? First find of the day.
let's get into the action. So we're here at Spear Points Park in Lake Macquarie, and by far, this is one of the best parks that I have ever been to. Can't wait. But you
Oh man, you should take the scooter up here. You should take the scooter up here. What is this? Only for you to fall in. Alright, we're gonna take the scooter everywhere. Everywhere I go, the scooter goes. Let's give this a go. Ready? Yeah, it's pretty awesome. This is... Whoa, that's weird as. Wait for me! Oh no. Titanic. I'm gonna go the dingy dongs. I think they're actually called ding and dongs. Oh no. I'm quite sure they're called ding and dongs. Let's go take a look.
Excuse me?
Yeah? Oh really? That's so cool. Do you still have your scooter? Oh, okay. Kids are daredevils. Like, there's other kid I saw going down that slide. They went full on so fast. They just jumped into the slide. It's crazy. There's nowhere to hold on, is there? They didn't design this very. Oh no, here, Miranda.
Yeah, but it makes you bounce. Just don't use your own.
I use my. Yeah, I do.
Are you gonna go through there?
Yeah, we'll race.
So I'll go through there.
Wait for me to get in there first. We'll have a race. Yes. It's harder for me, I reckon. Are you sure about that? All right, go. Damn. Look down there, Jesus. Oh yeah, we're gonna do the flying foxes. I'm going behind you. Wow.
Oh, it's really hot in here. Oh shit. Oh! My shirt moved up.
Oh. No. I'm going backwards.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I gotta get my scooter. Ow, that was a little bit loud. Oh, it's not my family. In your head, in your head, in your head. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh jeez. That was not fun. Oh, you want to see something cool? It's hard to see because I'm bending down, but it's like a passageway. It's really cool. Okay, you can come out here. You can come out here. It's really cool. Yeah. Anyway, what else is going to check out? Oh, that's right, up here. All the way up here. I found this really cool track. Oh, here it is. Yeah, from up top of that, where the slide is, that track. I saw it from here. Not that track, sorry. I saw this track from up there. So that's pretty cool. This is actually really cool. Not gonna lie. I better get some fuel, you know how it is. I don't know how that works, but it does. But you don't want to go down the ramp. No, no one wants to do that.
You were hiding in there. I was like, kind of just come out.
Wait, where was I hiding?
Somewhere. I was like, dude, we're not leaving.
Oh, I found a fruit.